Hey, what's going on YouTube? Here's the deal. The Mavic 2 Pro is going to be carrying the Mini on its back. And we're going to compare the cameras at sunrise here in Richmond, Virginia. But the Mavic 2 Pro is going to be filming 4K 30 frames a second. White balance of sunny. The Mavic Mini is going to be filming at 2.7K at 30 frames a second. White balance of sunny. I'm going to upscale the video to 4K and upload it to YouTube in 4K. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you like the content, hit that subscribe button, guys. Alright, let's jump into the video. Alright, so when you go play a game against another team, do you field your mediocre players or you field your best players? Of course, you field your best players, right? And you don't handicap your team from winning. Well, I kind of been doing that in the last couple of videos, kind of stepping the game down on the Fimi and on the Mavic 2 Pro and on the Zeno to compare the cameras against the Mini. Well, not anymore. We're going to play the best team possible against the opponent. And that means that everybody else is going to be running 4K at 30 frames a second, while the Mini is going to be running at 2.7K frames a second. And we're going to compare the video between these two, and you guys are going to tell me which one you prefer. So yeah, here I am walking back to the car, and these guys just flew earlier this morning, and we're going to do a really nice comparison. I can't wait to get back to my desk and see what they look like. But the Mini got a free ride on the Mavic 2 Pro, and the camera settings are at its best on each one of the drones. The video is going to be upscaled to 4K, and it's going to be uploaded in 4K to YouTube. Alright, look forward to hearing from you guys. Let me know which bird you prefer. Do you like the Mini, or do you like the Mavic 2 Pro?